from Picton. I am taking the ferry to the North Island today, and I was staying on a powered site tonight in a caravan park. Look at this mess in there. No, I really don't want to clean that up. Well, I've got about 2 good hours to do that. No, this is bad. Well, let's see what I can do later. For now, do my dishes and... Come on, are you kidding me? Right, mess be gone. If it was only always that easy. Okay, it's reinflated again, but I think the issue is the valve, not the tire itself. When I took the compressor away, when I took the hose away, air kept shooting out here, and then I played with it a bit and it stopped. So I think it would need that inverted screwdriver that goes in here to tighten it up, but unfortunately it's Sunday and I can't find a mechanic to take care of it, so I hope that will last for a bit. We'll find out. Right, so this is Picton, the north tip of the South Island. I've got about 2 hours until my ferry check-in, so I'm checking out the town for a bit. Lovely weather. There's not too much going on here, unfortunately. No real grocery stores, just a 4 square. I wish that I could top up on my cola gummy bears, but there's no pack and save here. Yes, yes, fresh choice. I'm such a bad adult. Oh, look what we've got here. No, I can't find more wine. Holy Christ, they have Roggenbrot. Brot means bread. I don't try to translate a Roggen, I have no idea. Some kind of wheat. Maybe it's wheat, I have no idea. How about that? I knew it. A Roggenbrot, inspired by the traditional, I don't even know what that, rye? Breads of Germany. There you go. Lecker. That's the coolest sun I've ever seen. I mean, there's one thing that I have to give to Picton. There are more public toilets than there are residential houses. I'm not even kidding. There is a toilet house like every 500 meters. That's really German. I am very early. It's about 2 hours too early. Yep, that's alright. Just gonna sit in my van and wait. But yeah, this is the car boarding Interislander area. Can you believe that my boss actually gave me a guitar as a farewell gift for working there for 6 months? This is like the best gift ever. I'll just get to play while I wait for the ferry. It is starting to get full very slowly. Yeah, plenty of cars already. So this guy just opened the gate. I wonder if we can board soon. It looks like it's starting, but someone just did not turn up. Like that white vehicle back there. This lane is supposed to be driving now. It's half empty, but this guy seems to be missing. Fun stuff. Right, made it. Together with all the trucks
Please see our friendly crew and reception on deck 7. Thank you.
Okay, here we are. No idea where I'm supposed to be going. Let's see, what have we got? 8 does look good. Ocean View Eatery. This is where I want to go. Play zone doesn't sound bad at all either. It does remind me a bit of the Spirit of Tasmania, but it might just be another ferry, and all the ferries are the same. I don't know, this is the second ferry that I'm on. It's a pretty cool big cafe. That's pretty nice. Well, goodbye South Island. We've had wonderful 7 months together. I'm a bit concerned that I'm getting seasick. Spirit of Tasmania got me seasick as hell. Can anyone tell me who's playing? I have no idea. New against war. When you hate people, this is the place to be. I gotta say, I really don't know where everyone is. The Spirit of Tasmania was loaded with people. It's like no one here.
Smoking and vaping are prohibited on vehicle decks and any alcohol.
Still got a little bit air in there. So we are back in the car. I was very surprised how close these islands are together. We have not quite left the South Island and you could already see the North Island on the horizon. I was expecting to cruise over the open sea for an hour or so before something would appear on the horizon, but you can just see both islands on the ship. You look left, you look South Island, you look right, you see the North Island. Crazy. I found a caravan park. The first campsite that I wanted to go was closed. It's oftentimes it's just so unreliable if you find a campsite or not, if it's open or not. But yeah. So I'm in a caravan park right now. Everything's set up. I'm pretty convinced that tomorrow in the morning my tire is gonna be flat again. It's lost about 50% of the air that was in it when I got off the ferry. So before I came here, I went to a petrol station to reinflate it, but it's probably gonna be empty by tomorrow. We will find out. Thank you for hanging around with me today. Stay healthy, be happy. See you in the next one. Goodbye.